Habakran hakatay kasngi uba hek ulaong bagjingtmu bakongsan ban pelat yakatay ka khubor kadai na kabanta ban penpriang yaki khubor sekipat ba kibaya day bat ki policy bat ki program jong Sorkar jela. Uba HM Sangpliang u Director jong ka Information and Public Relations Meghalaya ulaong bakani ka khubor kan mi man kasngi thoding khamdon kam man thiet da kador kat ba ki nong de ki yo nong artingka nakway kway ka kot khubor.
Department of IPR, they are doing for launching of the department bulletins, which will be published every monthly, every weekly, and this has been discussing for many time, and been pending for so long that we should have our own spoke papers which will be disseminating all the informations, especially the policy and the program of the government. So today there is the history that the department will be able to launch this weekly bulletin for the informations and disseminations of all the program policy of the government. And as I said by the director, it will be distributing free of cost for the benefits of the people at large, and also for any kind of informations which the government is taking off in our states. I am very delighted to launch this weekly bulletins of the IPR department for disseminations of the program and policy of the government or the state of Meghalaya.